Guys, today we're checking out the new update. So we have this, and we can't eat it.
And fucking doesn't expect me to do it.
This.
That's what happens.
This.
I'm supposed to keep your guys' pet, you guys, cat.
This.
Like,
this.
I'm just tired. I'm exhausted, man, and I'm frustrated, and I'm
this.
stressed out. So everything just seems extra.
This. Where? Oh. This. New balloon. I'm at the mirror. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm checking out the fur and the other stuff. Don't go to caves yet. And then we have this and this. Hold on. That. We can't see it right now, but going to caves, okay? Yeah. I'm not swimming down yet. It doesn't look like it. Let's go. Mr. Wait. Oh my god. Yo, computer. Computer's right there. Yo, dog have something on. Not dog. Math. Battery acid. Something on his back. Yo, why'd you just sit here? 1 to 5 minutes. Yeah, there's also a shark, guys. Get back here, you sharky. Might have a shark in the beach. Trying to get on the shark. Shark's so picky. Yeah, my controller. Yes, the shark. Ow. The shark, no. Get back here, you monkey. Hog. It's real. God. Checking out the beach. How do I get my way back? Oh, hold on. Get over here, Sharky. Get over here. I see the shark. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. Wait! God. I'm hate swimming. What? Oh, I hate swimming. Okay. For me, I'm not even close to beach or forest. So they brought benches back and everything. Cool, cool. He also brought a barbecue in the back. Back of city, they brought a barbecue. If you didn't see that. Yeah. Hopefully beach not flooding. Because basically it will be flooding because it's a beach map. Yeah. Yeah, I'm at beach. Everything looks normal. Did a barbecue. Oh, no, I don't want to. No, frick. No. Ah. Why do I always have to fall in the water? Oh, God. That makes me mad. Monkey goes crazy. Monkey goes crazy. I'm gonna ambush you. Monkey goes crazy. Monkey. Monkey goes crazy. Oh, I've already went to a public lobby. Group join. It's gotta be okay, put it on ambush, okay? The game mode on ambush. It's called ambush. No. God. Like, whoa, summer camp. No, like, put the game mode on ambush. Okay. It's on ambush. Wait, so I have to go to group? Competitive or normal? Default? Worst is option 1, right? Yeah. Okay, now what do I do? Oh yeah, press enter. 3, 2, 1.
It is competitive. What is this? Hello?
Oh my god, why does it put me in a full public? Hold on. brought me to a 10 again. Hold on. Yo, there's only 3 people in here.
What? I
No,
don't know.
wait. Okay.
I'm
Find the code is D. Oh, I accidentally. Okay. Well, that's basically the end of the update. And, hold on. And bye, I guess? No, not yet.
Yo, do you want to play mini games? But in ambush game
You
mode?
stupid, the update just came
I
out.
can't really move because I'm finding
You actually think there's gonna be a flag like that?
Bye.
Update.